Hey there! Are you looking for a powerful electric lawn mower that is compact, easy to use, and performs like a gas-powered unit without the mess or noise? If the answer is yes, then you are in the right place, because today we are taking a look at the Litheli EasySurge 18.5-inch lawn mower, an advanced battery-powered mower that is packed with smart features and next-generation technology. But before we get started, I want to mention that this product was provided to us by Litheli in exchange for a review, and this is a paid collaboration. While I do appreciate their support to my channel, this will not affect my honest thoughts whatsoever, and my review will remain 100% genuine and unbiased as always. So feel free to stick around as we explore everything that this electric mower has to offer. We are also doing a giveaway, so if you want to win your own Litheli EasySurge mower, all you have to do is comment on this video, and that's pretty much it, and you will enter for a chance to win a brand new Litheli EasySurge lawn mower. I will pick one winner and announce it right here on the channel, so stay tuned and good luck to everyone. Inside the box, you will find the Litheli EasySurge 18.5-inch lawn mower, the U20 IPS super battery, a pack of 2, the charger, and the grass collection bag. Setup is quick and easy. You just need to snap on the handles, pop in the battery, and you are ready to mow. So now let's talk power. This mower features Litheli's self-developed cooling and overclocking system, delivering up to 1000 watts of power and a blade speed of 4100 RPM, which is right on par with gas-powered mowers. Whether you are dealing with thick, overgrown grass or just doing regular maintenance, this thing handles it all effortlessly. The smart electronic control system manages motor output for both peak performance and safety, helping the mower adapt to varying grass conditions in real time. It's smart, smooth, and highly efficient. The real game changer here is the U20 IPS Super Battery. It features Bluetooth connectivity, real-time power monitoring, and a vertical charging dock. Plus, with EasySurge overclocking, it boosts performance exactly when you need it, giving you a powerful, efficient cut with up to 30 minutes of runtime, which is perfect for lawns up to 1x6 acre. This is also the world's first electric mower with a 6-position cutting height adjustment that you can activate with a single button. No bending or squatting, it's all about convenience and ergonomics. As you can see, all you need to do is turn the knob left or right to increase or decrease the cutting height. And if you are mowing larger areas, the self-propelled design takes the pressure off. It adapts to your pace with variable speed control between 1.3 and 2.9 miles per hour, giving you complete control while reducing fatigue. When you are done, storage is simple thanks to the T-shaped single-rod handle. It folds down easily and allows for fast bag removal, something that's usually a pain with traditional dual-rod designs. So that's pretty much everything I have for you today about this Litheli EasySurge 18.5-inch lawn mower. I hope you guys find this review helpful and useful, and that I helped you decide whether it's the best fit for you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech related reviews. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, feel free to drop them down below in the comments section. I will also leave a link in the description for your convenience if you want to get yours and enjoy efficient gas-free mowing experience. See you in the next video. Peace.